some nasty looking shit.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video, and thank you for tuning in. If you're not familiar with my videos, my name is Mo, and this is my channel, Mo Nation. So in this video, this is going to be the true test to the Extractor kit that I put together myself. Now, if you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, I suggest that you take a look at the last video where I talk about how my Mytee was breaking, and instead of fixing it, I decided to just build my own kit. So I've been waiting on a super dirty car to test this kit out on, because I feel like this is a true test on something that's not that bad, like the Volvo I did in one video. That's all right, but on this right here, if I could do a transformation with just this, then the kit is doing what it's supposed to do. I want to take a little time to talk about the products that I'm using. So what you see me spraying on the seats right now is called Flex Citrus. It is a high alkaline carpet cleaner. And so it comes in a powder form. I think it's about 6.5 pounds that you can get for $50. And it's gonna be the most cost-effective thing that you could do when it comes to deep cleaning, shampooing seats and shampooing carpet. You're gonna get the most money out of this product. I think I buy 2 jars every year. At the most, it lasts me a very long time. Because it's a high alkaline cleaner, what's gonna come out of my Extractor is something that's gonna help bring the pH level down. So it's gonna neutralize it basically, and that's Flex Ice. Now there's Flex Citrus, there's Flex Fire, and then Flex Ice is what goes into the Extractor. And that's what's in that blue tank in the beginning. And so that is the reason why I had to also separate the two from my water tank, and then I have my solution tank for my carpet and seat extractions. So on the last video, someone said that because I didn't have anything to heat up the solution like my Mytee did, that I probably was gonna struggle on light interior. And as y'all can see, I had no issues when it came to the light interior. It did the same as if I was using a Mytee. It pulled up all the water as if I was using a Mytee. And I can say that building this kit was a success. Now there's a couple of things that I will address and change later in the future, but so far it's working, as y'all can see. Later on I can add heat. All I have to do is put something in my solution tank to heat up that solution. Eventually I'm also going to put its own like water pump on it, but the only downside to this is that I don't have to pull anything out of the van. That's a good thing, but the downside is whenever it gets full, I do have to pull the machine out, and I have to let everything out of the machine or it won't work properly. That'll be the only downside to this. So until I get like a bigger vacuum or something like that, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Now, the big question, do you need heat to do carpet extractions and seat extractions? And to be honest with you, You really don't. But if you can add heat to it, it does make things a little easier. I found that whenever the solution was heated, it did kind of break down the grime and all that stuff easier. But you can also counter that with just doing your regular pre-spray. If it's really bad, I'll get my steamer and I put the like scrub attachment that comes with the steamer, and I'll just scrub that specific spot with the heat from the steamer and then extract. So there's different ways that you could do things and go around things. And as you do more, you're gonna learn different ways of how to do certain things. Now, I would say this Chevy HHR, it came out great. Now, there was a couple of little spots that was still damp, and y'all can see that in the video towards the back end of the seat. That spot was still a little damp. So that's why it kind of looks like a stain, but it's not. The customer was happy. The carpet looked great. Everything looked great about it. It looks 10 times better than what it was before. And to say that I put this kit together with a lot of things that I just had laying around in the garage is pretty impressive. So if you want me to do another video, maybe I could do a video showing y'all exactly everything that I used to put the kit together. Comment down below and let me know. Thank you for tuning in.
That happened.